The July CPI report is out, and it handed the market exactly what it wanted. Inflation rose just 0.1% last month. The Dow is green, the S&P is green, the Nasdaq is green. The rally the pre-market promised is on. Inside the numbers, headline prices rose 0.1% in July, after falling 0.4% in June. Over the last 12 months, inflation is running at 3.4%, cooling from 3.5% the month before. Let that sink in. Inflation is not re-accelerating. The cool down is holding. And the market's verdict came fast. At the time this video was made, the Dow Jones is up 0.11%. The S&P 500 is up 0.34%, and the Nasdaq 100 is leading again, up 1.02%. The AI engine is still running hot. Lumentum is up 6.6%, Super Microcomputer is up 14.5%, and CoreWeave is up 18.6% at the time this video was made. The three NVIDIA partners that lit the pre-market are holding their gains. Say it plain, earnings lit the pre-market. The CPI confirmed it. Look inside the report. Core inflation, the measure that strips out food and energy, rose 0.2% in July. Over the last 12 months, core is running at 2.5%, down from 2.6%. Core inflation keeps cooling. Even the oil complication eased. The energy index fell 1.5% in July, and gasoline prices dropped 2.9% on the month. Energy is still up 14.7% over the last 12 months, so the Strait of Hormuz story is not over. But this month, oil helped the report instead of hurting it. So the two forces from this morning resolved. Bullish tech earnings kept pulling. The inflation data refused to push back. The tension that paused the market on Tuesday broke upward at the open. So here's the question that matters now. Does the rally hold into the close? Here is the caution. The first reaction to a CPI print can still fade as the session digests the details. Volatility has cooled for now, but it can reignite on any headline. The close is where today's verdict gets written. 4 things decide what happens next. 1. Whether the Nasdaq keeps leading into the close. 2. Whether Lumentum, Supermicro, and CoreWeave hold these gains. 3. Oil and any headline out of the Strait of Hormuz. And 4. The next inflation checkpoint, the August CPI report due September 11th. The rule this morning was simple. Pre-market strength only counts if it holds through the first 30 minutes of trading. It held. The rally is real. Now it has to earn the close. Mornings like this are exactly why a plan matters. At startwithtA.com, you get daily market briefings, real trade setups, and the levels that matter before the crowd sees them. Start your journey at startwithtA.com. The link is below. That's the briefing. Subscribe for daily market analysis from the Traders Agency team. This is education, not financial advice. Trade smart.